Good afternoon, distinguished U.S. history students. Let's take a look at what we're up to here for Thursday, April 2nd. First, when we get to this page, we're always going to check the class log. We are in World War II. So I'm clicking on the class log, and here's what we've got. All right. So first, complete the Do Now assignment for April 2nd. That's due by 2. Now, the Do Now assignments are not going to be particularly difficult. It's just a way for us to check attendance. Okay. Second, watch and answer the questions for the What is Fascism video assignment. And that is due on Monday, April 6th. Third, read and answer the questions for the Chapter 24, Section 1 assignment. The Chapter 24 reading is found in your resources folder, and I'll show you where that is in a second. And that is due on Monday as well. And then this is something I did yesterday with another class, and it was great. The fourth thing is tomorrow, that's Friday, April 3rd, from 11 to 11:30, I'll be available in a Schoology video conference. So I'd love everybody to stop in and ask a question or and really anything that you need to do. So the video conference function is over on the left-hand side of your screen when you get into Schoology. And it's right, you click on this link to conferences. And when you do, you'll find one conference, and it'll be for this class. It's the only thing that you'll be able to access in there. Click on it, and I guarantee you guys know more than I do about how that kind of thing works. You'll be able to access your webcam and your microphone, and that's our plan for today. So let me show you a couple things on where to look. So if we go back to our main page, the textbook can be accessed in resources. You'll see it right here. Click on the resources tab, and it's right towards the top, Chapter 24 textbook. Click on that. Okay. And then again, the conferences link is on the left-hand side, and that is right here. Click on that, and you'll be able to access the conference for tomorrow. All right. That's all I got for you today. As always, contact me if you need anything. Just send an email to me, either to my account or through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope everything is okay for you guys. See you soon.